Now, ladies and gentlemen, from one horror to another, I would like to welcome you to one of the sets of Steven Spielberg's blockbuster, War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen, come on, now listen. I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay, I'm closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.
So at this point, you're probably wondering, how realistic is this set? You are correct. That is an actual swing set from Home Depot. Oh, that's an actual 747 plane. It was brought and destroyed specifically for the film. Now, this entire set is incredible. Can you believe, though, that it was only used for 3 days of filming? That's it. Only amounted to